Nienda kusima farmers. Nienda kusima farmers. Namunonga babaterente. Nani bashobora abasheja baherezente bahane bizire. Abanyankore n'amanyango y'ikitugumira. Enteze bamuwalule ma y'abanyankore bakuwente. Bobanga tonagirabo. Teba iyo. Naye bano enteze bamuwalule. Zeba wadde nezimu zigenze n'abaana baazo. So mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala. Ekyamazi bakikubuliddeko. We don't disturb government a lot, but we need a helping hand. If this water was pumped up to here somewhere, we can get our own pipes and run it to our farms. You can see we are trying to grow feeds, but we have no tractors. We have no equipment to clear these bushes. I'm just showing you here, this is the green thing, but it might not be as green back there. So if government, I know you cannot do it, but members of parliament, if you can support them to get us clean water, but also water, we can purify it ourselves. If we can get equipment out to the district so that we are able to clear bushes. We have cooperatives. We have a cooperative. If we got a tractor, slasher that cuts hay, if we got balers, we could sow our own food. Maybe these cows will not look as emaciated, but we don't only keep cows. We are growing coffee. We are serious coffee growers. So we need just a little push from government. I know it's not your responsibility, but with your support, which I know you can give, and in abundance, with your support, I think we can have equipment at sub-counties. I think we can have water from natural resources, which are abundant in Uganda, and we all benefit from it. I want to thank you very much. God bless you. If your schedule changes, you can spend the night here. We'll ask for permission from Salom. I'm sure he wouldn't mind. But thank you very much. Thanks for coming. Bantu mwebale mnonga kuija, mwebale kuteresa ekitinisa. I believe our MPs will ask the Honorable Speaker to be with us to come back and see us next time. God bless you. Thank you very much. Hey, and you are welcome. Waliwo bemutalo recognize ate bantu bakulu nnyo wano. Tulina representative wa Bishop, I think. Bishop Uziwa. His representative is here. Tubaddeko ne Chief Kati ndowooza bagenze naye abadde wano ndowooza bagenze kusaala. Reverend Monica representing Bishop Rubowa. Although oli mwana nzaabwa wano, oli mwana wa waka wano, naye wooli ne ba Reverend